landfill is a place to dispose of refuse and other waste material by burying it and covering it over with soil, especially as a method of filling in or extending usable land. California disposes of approximately 30 million tons of waste in landfills each year. More than 30% of the waste that goes into the landfill could be used for compost or mulch. Greenhouse gas emissions resulting from the decomposition of organic waste in landfills have been identified as a significant source of emissions contributing to global climate change. Benefits from separating organics include: enriches soil, helping retain moisture and suppress plant diseases and pests. Reduces the need for chemical fertilizers and pest control. Encourages the production of beneficial bacteria and fungi that break down organic matter to create humus, a rich nutrient-filled material that helps the environment. How to recycle your organics. First, determine what goes where. Glass bottles, paper tea bag wrappers, plastic bags, plastic bottles, soda cans. These are the items that you would want to place in your recycling container. Be sure to remove the caps and lids from all containers before placing them in the recycling bin. As for plastic forks, plastic tea bag wrappers, plastic food wrappers, snack packaging, and aluminum juice containers. These are the items that you would want to place in your garbage container. As for your food-related items, lunch meats and breads, pizza, paper towels and napkins, meats and bones, dairy, candy, snack foods, and tea bags. Those items should be placed in your organics bin. Pizza boxes and compostable lunch trays can also be placed in the organics bin. Packaged foods need to be separated before discarding. Empty the food contents into the organics bin, then discard the packaging into the trash bin. If you are discarding of an unopened package, open the package and empty the food contents into the organics bin, then discard the packaging into the trash bin. Liquid should not be discarded into the organics bin. Empty the liquid out of the container before recycling. Straws and lids need to be discarded into the trash bin. What happens to the organics after you separate them? First, the contents are placed into a bin. Then that bin is picked up by an organics truck. The material is then transported to a transfer station. At the transfer station, the organic material is sorted and separated away from the trash. The organics are then loaded into a transfer truck and shipped to a processing plant where it is made into compost that can be used for plants and gardens. When you take the initiative to separate your organics, you are adhering to the 5 R's of recycling. The first is to reduce. You are reducing the material that would otherwise go to a landfill. The second is to recover. Because the material is not going to a landfill, it has been rescued to be used in other ways. The third is recycle. By recovering the organics, it now can be recycled into a compost material that is useful, helps the environment, and is not wasted. The fourth is to reuse. The composted material now can be used for your gardens and your plants. And finally, you are respecting the earth. When you separate your organics, you are doing your part to take care of the earth by minimizing the amount of trash that goes into the landfills. When you compost, it helps control soil erosion, extends the growing season, and it soaks up water to slowly release to plants, all of which helps the environment. When you separate your organics, you can turn this into this.